Okay, remove the center console the rest of the way. Well, as far as I can get it right now. You see, sorry, there's a 10 here, and not you have to take off on a 10 here. And then there's a screw, Phillips head there, and a Phillips head over here that you're gonna have to remove. So those, and you have a Phillips head right there in the top, Phillips head right there, and then a Phillips head there, and a Phillips head there. This has this gator grip thing. All I did was basically grab a hold of it and squeeze this side in. You can see it's got those grips in the side and the clip up top. So to avoid breaking it, you kind of bring these two in, squeeze on either side. It's got the same kind grips on this side. Hold on a second. This is a miserable job. See the grips on that side. And then this, supposedly, you can pull it right through and out, because this, maybe it'll lift up on it now. Not saying I'll be able to get it out right this second, but so far this is where I'm at. So this is center console removal. Hopefully just part one.